Williams yn llan I Danny Davies. Gosod I hun I groesi. O'Neill yn clirio. Nôl I mewn. Sutton yn clirio'r tro hwn at O'Fori. O'Fori'n codi ben ac ar bas drwodd I Jamie Breeze. Breeze drwodd ar y gol. Jamie Breeze i'r Drenewydd! Ac mae'n rhwydo. 2 munud wedi chwarae. Os da sioc ar y cardiau ar Barclayford. Gol gyntaf tymor I Jamie Breeze. Oedd y bas gan O'Fori'n odidog. Breeze yn gyflymach na Holmes ac yn cadw I ben I rwydo wrth i'r golwr aros ar y linell. Owens yn edrych am Wild ar y bas letraws. Y penna I fyny ail gyfle I Wild. Curran traed cyflym yn y cwrt. Yn I gosod I Dans. Dans yn taranu ergyd yn erbyn y postyn. Fe gath y nerth tu ôl I honna. Neil Dans mor brofiadol, mor agos I sgorio. 20 munud wedi chwarae. Williams ar tafliad hir at y canol. Mae'n un hir iawn hefyd. Mae'n syrthio I Cei Connah. Mae Cei Connah'n gyfartal. Cyn chwaraewr Dundee yn rhwydo. Y tafliad hir yn creu problemau. Mills Evans oedd ar fai, dwi'n meddwl, yn I ffenio hi'n syth I Curran. Dave Jones ar gic. Dim pwyser McAllister. Y peniad ymlaen. Breeze a nawr yw O'Fori drwodd. O'Fori'n syrthio. Dim trosedd yn ôl y dyfarnwr. Ond mae Maenc y Drenewydd yn gandrych. Dwi'n yn gwybod faint o'r bêl gafodd Owens, oedd na ddim llawer yn ddiddeud y gwir. 20 munud I mewn yr ail hanner. Williams ar tafliad hir. Sutton I fyny amdani. Kelly'n trio clirio, ond I fyny'n hytrach ag allan. Mae'n syrthio I Dans I fyny, ac oedd I tannu'n y cwrt. Mae dros y llinell. Mae'n gol I Cei Connah. Mae wedi chwarae'n uwch gyngrair Lloegr I Birmingham I Palace yn y bencampwriaeth. Mae'n 38 oed, ond mae wedi dathlu'r gol yna fel tasau fan I arddegau I gol gyntaf I Cei Connah. Mae tafliadau Williams wedi creu llawer o broblemau i'r Drenewydd heddiw yma. Horon I fyny amdani. Y dyfarnwr yn pwyntio at Ysmotyn. Mills Evans I mewn, ben ar Horan. Wild a Horan, y ddau hen ben yn creu problemau. Mi oedd Mills Evans yn hwyr. Chwarter awr y weddill. Callum Morris yn rhwydo I chweched gol y tymor hwn. A fyddwch chi'n disgwyl I Cei Connah fynd ar triphwynt yn ôl I laned Dyfrdwy nawr. Williams yn fyr am unwaith I Chris Owens. Aaron Williams. James Davies yr eilydd yn I erbyn. Williams yn dal I frwydro. Y croesiad I mewn as y canol. Wild! 5 munud y weddill. Mae'n beder I Cei Connah. Y bythol wyrdd Mike Wild. Williams yn dangos bod mwy i'w gêm na dim ond y tyfliadau hir. A Wild, dwi'n methu'r rheina. Ni 15 eiliad yn bryn o'r 90. Mae wedi bod yn berfformiad ail hanner gwych gan Cei Connah. A Wild yn brwydro am honna. Aaron Edwards gwaith da, drwodd I Williams. Y croesiad cynnar. Jamie Ensel! Mae'n 5 i'r pencampwyr. Fe sgoriodd y 4 gol ar 10 y tymor diwetha I gol gynta'r tymor hwn. Mae fel arwyddo chwaraewr newydd I Cei Connah. Ensel yn rhwydo.
That's the 8th time this season that we've gone behind and been 1-0 down, and we've gone on to win them. But like I say, you know, when it comes to that final 10 games, you can't be going doing that in games the size of them. And it's something that we'll collectively look at, maybe managing the games a little bit better in the first 10 minutes.
It's a tough afternoon for us. We're against a very good team. You know, they're a good side, good at what they do, and you know, we won't play against anything like that in the bottom 6. But you know, we've got 10 huge games now for this football club, and you know, we won't drift. I won't allow anyone to drift. You know, we need to get as many points as we can on the board, and try and, you know, finish the season off well. You know, the last 2 home games have been frustrating. Obviously, last week out for West was a frustrating one because we've had a lot of the ball. We've had loads of, probably the most entries we've ever had into the last third, and we've ended up losing. Today was a different type of game. You always knew that before, but I thought, you know, the shape of the side looked really good, but you know, they do what they're good at, and they put their foot on your throat and they make you pay.
Well, it's how you look at it. We've got to play TNS twice, we've got to play Barry twice, we've got to play Ballard twice, we've got to play Pennybont twice, and we've got to play Carnarvon. So we'll collectively take it one game at a time. If TNS win all their games, they're the champions. If we win all our games, we're the champions. It's a great position to be in. Couldn't want it anymore. You know, we've made a massive statement since last season when the season was cut short. You know, 22 games later, Connah's Quay are still top of the league, clear. So it says something about the character of them boys, because there was a few home truths told at half-time. I'm not accepting mediocrity. I will not accept it. I'll accept it if we get beat when the opposition have been better than us and they've ran all over us. But I will not accept the first half today. And the lads took it on board, and the second half, we were worthy winners in the end.